Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation. General words are used. Start. Your account for the two machines reached us on the 18th of August and we enclose our check. Full stop. You will recollect that our order of the 16th April was given on the condition that machines were to be erected and running by the 16th May. Full stop. We wrote again and again drawing your attention to this condition, comma, and also informed you that your failure was causing us much trouble and expense. Full stop. In consequence of the delay, we were obliged to place out work and also to work overtime. Full stop. In view of the fact that delivery was not made until 13 weeks after the date of the order, comma, instead of 4 weeks as stipulated, comma, we are deducting the sum of 110 pounds as part compensation for our loss. Full stop. We have allowed you for the extra time required for fitting the distributing drum subsequently ordered by us. Full stop. We are merely taking a portion of the expense to which we have been put in consequence of the delay in the delivery of the two machines, that you will meet us in the same reasonable spirit. Full stop. If, comma, however, comma, you are not willing to agree to our reduction, comma, you must not take this letter as limiting us to a claim of 110 pounds for the considerable loss to which we have been put by your breach of contract. Full stop.